Hi everyone, this side Harsh Tripathi. Today we will be discussing a daily lead code challenge problem. Today's date is 30th December 2023. It means that we have only 2 days remaining to be in the new year. So today's problem is redistribute character to make all the string equal. Let's understand what the question is saying. Suppose we are given with one array which contains a string. Suppose we are given one array which contains all the string, uh, we have to find uh, whether we can make all the string equal or not. Means, what does it means? If in the first index there is a, b, c, whether we can make ABC in this also or not. So we can obviously make ABC in this, and one extra of this goes to the next one, and which also make A, B, C. So we can clearly see that we can make all the strings equal by redistributing. In question it is given. In question it is given in one operation, pick two distinct indices I and j, where words of I is a non-empty string and moves any character from words I to the position j. Means we can shift the position of ith string है ना, to the word of the jth. Means अगर किसी को कमी पड़ रही है तो we can give it to them, और किसी को ज़्यादा हो रहा है तो we can remove from that. So but all the character should not be wasted. We can only shift the characters to this, है ना. तो hopefully this example is clear. Let's see this example, whether we can make all the strings equal or not. Let's suppose here is a, so we can pick a, and a, we can give one a from this side to this one a from this side to this one, a, and we can take one b from this. So yeah, I can get a and b. We can also make a a a b to this, uh, mm, one a from this side, and we can give one a from this string. So a, and we can give one b from this side. So b, one b is also remaining from this side. We can shift to this, and 2a in this. So a and b. So we can clearly see that all the strings are equal in this array. So we can return true in this case. We can also return true in this case. But let's suppose our array is given like this: a, b, and a. We have two strings in the array. First string we can make a, and we can shift b from to this side. And but in this string we get ab, which is not equals to a. So we have to return false, because we cannot shift b to any of the string, because here only two string is present. So hopefully I think question is clear. So let's see the intuition behind to solve this question. Let's suppose in this let's see in this question. uh, First we are going to count how many characters we have for each character. ठीक है. तो we have a means we have 6 time a. So we have 6 time a, and we have 3 time b. So we can clearly see our size of the array is 3. Our size of the array is 3. Our size of the array is 3. So if I divide 6 by 3, it gives me an integer, means it is properly divided by the size of the uh, array. So we can shift a in every position, है ना, we can shift a in every position, in every string containing. And similarly b, for b also we can take modulus of 3. uh, if it gives 0, so it means that we can also distribute b to every of the string. If, again I repeat, if 6 modulus 3, if 6 modulus 3 gives 0, it means that we can distribute a to every string, है ना. If b modulus 3 also gives me 0, it means that we can distribute b in every string. So let's suppose, let's take this example. A count is 2, a count is 2, and b count is 1, and b count is 1, and the size of the array is 2, and the size of the array is 2, 2. So if we take the modulus of 2, it's equals to 0. It means that we can distribute a in all the in all the strings. But in the same way, if we take a modulus of b, which is 1, which is 1, if we take the modulus of b to the size of the string, it is not equals to 0, it is equals to 1, which means we cannot distribute, which means we cannot distribute this, which means we cannot distribute b in all the strings. We will, means we will be having some of the b which is left, or we cannot fulfill all the string which contains b. Hopefully you have, means hopefully you have understand this question, the intuition behind this question. And let's see the code. We are generating one map to store all the characters and the count of the characters. We are storing map which stores all the characters containing the count of the character. And then we simply check, if the character which is contained in the map, uh, sh- uh, words dot length, modulus, if it does not equals to 0, then we should be returning false. And if our loops ends, means what we have checked all the string, we have checked all the characters, and that all characters gives, when we take a modulus of words dot length equal to 0, which means and that it satisfy this condition, so we are going to return it true. Thank you. If you have enjoyed this video, then hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that's all. And you can follow me on Instagram, and also you can see this code in my GitHub repository. The repository link is in the description. Thank you, and we will be meeting tomorrow with a new challenging problem. तब तक के लिए bye and have a nice day. सब बाय, take care.